Hey guys,
Hey.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello.
so here we are in the Kryxivia city. We're gonna show you around, explore the city, and see all the stuff that we can do. The blacksmith, the training area, the bank, and just move around and show you the city.
Let's go. We follow you. Huh?
Yeah, let's go. So here is the blacksmith. In there, you could use your Quicksit to link it with your items in your inventory. So the Quicksit is the NFT that you can drop in the mine. We'll show you the mine after a fight in the mine. So for now, here is the blacksmith. Yeah, let's move. So here is the Kryxivia City Bank. In here, you could stake your KXS. KXS is the in-game currency to have a staking rewards. And then you could put your NFT items there too to just loot, collect them and just take them in there. Also, here we have the auction house. In here, you can exchange items between players. So we have 2 layers for this. In game, you can switch items directly through the auction house. And then, if you want, you can export your NFT on chain on the Binance Smart Chain. And then there is a NFT marketplace on there. You can directly switch players to players and just speculate, trade with other members of the community. There is the Quicksilver training area. On this area, you can try your spells. Only on this area. On the entire city, you can't, because of course there will be a lot of players in the city. So to avoid the lags and we have to optimize things, you can only here test with the dummies your spells, stuff that you will loot in the dungeon. So, for example, you go in the mine, you make a fight, you drop a quick sit, you then go to the city, to the auction house. On the auction house, you link your quick sit to your item, then you can cast the spell. Once you have the spell, you set up on the spell bar your spell. You go to the training area and you can try it and see your gameplay, how you want to play. If you want to play healing, if you want to play mage, if you want to play tank, as you guys want to play, you can just switch and you have eight bars and 8 bars of spell that you can use. And yep, now we're gonna show you the door, the main door of the city, which is where you will have to go to join the mine and fight between dungeons. So that's basically there that you're gonna pass most of your time with your friends. You go in the mine, you select the room you wanna play, and then you have to defeat the boss to get some loot, some items, some quick sit, and they are all NFTs that you can export on chain. Okay, so maybe now we'll introduce the team. So I'm Frederic, the CEO of Quicksilver. We have here Antoine.
Hey, I'm the CTO of the game, managing the technical side of the Unity game.
We have Noé, which is the lead developer.
Yeah, so I'm the lead blockchain engineer. I manage all of the connection between the game and the Binance Smart Chain.
Guys, let's move around the city. Maybe let's go back to the place. Babacar and Jean too. Maybe you can introduce yourself.
Yeah. So I'm the lead gameplay developer. I do all that is related to the fights and the gameplay.
Yeah. And I am a lead client engineer, so I take care of client needs in the game.
Yeah. So, like I was telling you guys, you can basically any good that you have in the Kryxivia world is an NFT. So you can export any items and any Kryxid. Noah is handling the NFT import and export part. He will explain you how it works in detail.
Yeah. So all you have to do in game is to talk to NPC, and you will be able to export all of your crafted or looted in-game items directly on chain to your Binance Smart Chain wallet. Once it's export, your NFT is yours. Metadata are hosted on EPFS, so nobody can modify it. And you can do whatever you want with it. So, for example, you can sell it on NFT marketplace. And we've chose the Binance Smart Chain because of its low block time. It's fast, it's quick, it's reliable, and of course, yeah, because also because the BSC has a very good and large community. And to finish, you will also be able to import an NFT in game. So the same way you talk to NPC in game, he fetch all of your NFT on your linked wallet, and you will be able to import it in game.
Yeah,
So that's for it for the NFT part.
thank you, Noel. So for playing Kryxivia, currently it's only on browser. You have to get a MetaMask wallet. You sign in with your MetaMask wallet. It will connect you directly to the game with the browser. You have to get a modern browser that supports MetaMask, such as Chrome or Brave or Firefox, and then it directly load the game. It's through the technology named WebGL. Like Decentraland, maybe Unity. Antoine, sorry, can tell you about this a little more details about it.
So the game is built with the Unity game engine. So we choose Unity because of its lightweight aspect. It's a really good engine to build on low-end platforms like WebGL, and it have a lot of support for optimization and analytics that will help us build and tune the gameplay as a player plays the game.
Yeah, exactly.
So, and yeah, we also use the new Unity technology for the servers that will allow us to basically avoid hopefully the server issues. It's a really good technology they used in very big games, so hopefully there won't be any issue.
Yeah, so the alpha is planned for December, mid of December, end of December. You can check, guys, our roadmap to see what we are planning. The main net should be released by Q1 or Q2 of the next year. And before that, we'll make a whitelist to every participant of the public cell to be able to join in the alpha, report us some bugs. We'll make a bounty program to report our bugs and give rewards to community that help us to develop the game. And yeah, I think we should pass now on the fight directly. We will show you a fight directly in the mine. Show you a gameplay directly of us playing all together and trying to defeat the dragon, which is the first main boss that will be available in the alpha.
Hopefully without anyone dying.
Yeah, we will stick together and try to stay alive.
Hi again, guys. So now we are testing the dungeon. We are showing you the dungeon. We are a team of 5 people, and we're gonna fight. We're gonna fight the boss. It's a dragon. So I am equipped as a mage, and my teammates here are all got different stuff.
We are a bunch of different stuff.
So there's no class in this game. So what you're wearing define what you are. So if you're wearing a great axe, then you're a warrior. So if you're wearing a staff, you're a mage, and so on and so forth.
Yeah, so as we can see, the dragon here is fighting us and putting some glyphs on the floor. So this is all made in house. We'll make different type of bots with scripting, so they will have cool effects and cool things to do for each of them. Right now, we're trying to beat him without dying. With time passing, the dragon change behavior is more harder to defeat. Like he's having some new spells, some new effects to defeat you.
So we went for an action type, MMORPG, not a tap targeting one. So we could make, engaging fights as is the norm today for good fights. Action packed with a lot of things to evade and not, a standing DPS fiesta. And so we are playing, as he previously said, a non-classed MMO. And this way you can play, the style you want. If you want to be close to the boss or far, if you want to heal, support and stuff. Right now, the boss entered his second phase. So you have a lot more things to evade on the ground that are signaled by our telegraph system.
Oh, I need some heal. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, so I was explaining this before in the city. Actually, you can equip any spell you want on your items. You drop the quick sit when you win the fight. Of course, there will be some fights way easier than this one to start. You fight some easy fight. You drop a quick sit. You link to your items, and then you can cast them. You play any gameplay you like, actually. Just keeping the spell you like. You see with your friends what type of things you can do. Someone can heal, someone can do the DPS, someone can be the tank. For example, we have a shield that can immune you for a few seconds. So this is how you guys decide to build. And as a reminder too, we'll make, for example, some events. You will be able to do some fights in a certain period, for example, only 1 week or 2 weeks. And the boss will drop you some NFTs that will be unique and limited in terms of amount. So it will be like the first to defeat the boss will have the NFT, the unique spell linked to the boss, which is pretty cool. So we almost have him down.
We wanted to allow anyone to play like anything. So someone died here, and so you can play anything. If you're 5 people, you can play a team, a really balanced team. You can play by yourself. The boss is gonna be a little bit easier if you're alone. But you need to have something really balanced if you're alone. So you need to have some healing spells maybe, and some damaging spell, and some other that can buff you.
Yeah, 'cause, for example, on here, there is a rain, if you saw on the map, that remove you the buff from the dragon. The dragon hits you some points each seconds, and if you don't run into the rain, you're gonna die really quick.
Yeah.
So we do some fun scripting like this to add some cool dynamic gameplay to the game. And once you defeated the boss, you will drop every one of you. Every player will have a luck rate of drop to get items and Quicksit, and then you will be able to convert them into NFTs in the Kryxivia sale after. We almost have him. Let's go, guys. I want my NFTs, guys. Come on.
Oh, I died.
You died?
Yeah.
Want to die? Fuck, I'm dead.
Maybe you can, Jean, you can explain what's happening right now.
So currently, for our plan is to release around 10, maybe 15 bosses before the beta with like 3 main themes. So there will be a fire biome, a water biome, and an ancient civilization one that is the previous civilization that lived in the mine, and they will have mechanics and loot, NFTs and stuff that correspond to the current biome you fight them in.
Yeah, you choose a biome and you have different type of elements to play on. Maybe now we can talk about the currencies that we'll be doing with Quicksilver. So, as any game currently, not in the crypto space, you have mostly two coins. You have the shop item coin and you have the in-game token coins, game like World of Warcraft or League of Legends, for example, Riot Point and the other point. So in Quicksilver, we have the main cryptocurrency, which is a Quicksilver coin with a supply of 250 millions. And then we have the Quicksit shard, which have like a 5 billion supply. The Quicksit shard token is the in-game token. You can use it as a play-to-earn experience. You drop some in the fight. You can trade them between players. You will have to, for example, use the KXS, the Quicksit shard token, to burn and stake in game. And then with the KXA, the Kryxivia coin, it's the main. It is the main on the Binance Smart Chain that you will use for NFTs, for trading, speculating on marketplace, for doing some starter packs. Basically, all the shop stuff that you will do off of the game, which is on chain. And once you have both of the tokens, You can import them in the game, play with the KXS, get it off chain, and then on chain. And after you can basically sell the KXS for KXA. So you will make real money from playing the game, as a play to earn experience explain it. But basically, the more you're farming, the more you will win KXS, and if you stake it, the more money you will be able to make in the game. Now I can maybe talk to you about the pre-sale. Currently, we are 5 partners. We have Unicrypt, we have Pools, we have Bull Perks, we have Starter XYZ, and we have Engine Starter. The launchpad start at the end of the month. Some start at the end of the month, and the last one is by the 3 of December. So after the 3, we will have the listing on PayTextSwap, and then you will be able, guys, for everyone that didn't have the chance to join the pre-sale, to directly buy on PancakeSwap. Anyway, we'll give all information on our social networks, on Medium, on Telegram, on Twitter. Just follow us and see what's up. And we hope to see you soon on Kryxivia game, and that you will like what we're trying to build. Guys, do we have anything to add? To say? To
No, I
No.
think we're good.
now we're
Yeah.
good?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching this video, and hope to see you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.